Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear lovely student of standard 5. I am your Rana sir. So today I will discuss about the topic of geometry. Okay. So at first we should learn the conception of the geometric figure. That means definition of the figure and write down with characteristics. Okay. So we should go to the board. Look at the today's topic is geometry, and few geometry figure we already drawn, and write down the characteristics besides that. So at first, the first figure, look at the first figure, that is called quadrilateral. So quadrilateral is a figure which is bounded by 4 lines. So A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. And what is the characteristics of the quadrilateral? You should learn three characteristics of each figure. Okay. So firstly, quadrilateral. It has 4 sides. Okay. And it has 4 angles. Look at that. It has 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, it has 4 angles. And at last, number 3 characteristics. Sum of angles is 360 degrees. So 4 angles. If we sum the 4 angles, that means 360 degree we shall found. Okay, that is the characteristics of quadrilateral. Next one is rectangle. So rectangle, we should draw this rectangle and write down the 3 characteristics. So what is the characteristics? All the angles are right angle. Look at that. All the angles are right angle. Okay, that means right angle means 90 degree. So all the angles are right angle. That's the first characteristics. Second characteristics, opposite sides. Look at that. Opposite. One, that is opposite side. Opposite sides are equal. Okay? Opposite sides are equal. Number 3, opposite sides are parallel. Look at that. Parallel. This one is parallel and this one is parallel. Okay? So this is the 3 characteristics of a rectangle. Next one is square. So square, all sides, 3 characteristics of all sides. All sides are equal. Okay. Square characteristics. The characteristics of square is number 1. All sides are equal. Number 2. All the angles are right angle. Look at that. All the angles are right angle. That means 90 degree. This one is 90 degree. This one also 90. This one also 90, and this one also 90 degree. That is the square. So all the angles are right angle. And at last, diagonals are equal. Look at that. Diagonals. If we draw diagonals, okay. If we draw the diagonals. So this one is the similar or equal in length, and they bisect at midpoint. Okay. This is the characteristics of square. Number 4, parallelogram. What is parallelogram? What is the characteristics of parallelogram? Just write down this one. Number 1, opposite sides are parallel. Okay, similar way. They go similar way. Opposite sides are parallel. Number 2, opposite sides are equal. This one and this one is similar or equal in length, and this one and this one. That means AB and CD. These two are similar in length. Number 3, opposite angles are equal. Look at that. This angle and this angle are similar, and this one and this one is also same or similar. So opposite angles are equal. That is the characteristics of parallelogram. Number 5, trapezium. So this shape is just different from others. That is called trapezium. The characteristics of trapezium is number 1, 2 sides are parallel. Look at that. 2 sides are parallel. Okay, 2 sides are parallel, but not equal. Look at that. This one is larger than this one. AD is smaller than BC. Okay, so 2 sides are parallel, but they are not equal in length. Number 2, other 2 sides. Look at the other 2 sides are equal. They are equal in length, but not parallel. Okay, look at that. This one goes this way, and this one goes this way. So those two are very equally. They are these 2 sides are equally in length, but not parallel. And number 3, distance between 2 parallel sides is always the same. Okay, the distance. Look at that. The distance between 2 parallel is always the same. Number 6, the figure of drawn rhombus. Okay, so rhombus, the characteristics of rhombus. Number 1, all sides are equal. That is the most important characteristics of rhombus, because all sides are equal and opposite angle. Look at the opposite angle. Opposite angles are equal. Similarly, square, but square all sides are equal, but not opposite angles are not equal. All angles are 90 degree. In rhombus, just opposite angles are equal. Okay, opposite angle are equal. And number 3 characteristic, diagonals. If we draw the diagonals, okay, if we draw the diagonals, they intersect each other at midpoint. Okay, at midpoint. So rhombus, the characteristics of rhombus is diagonals bisect each other at midpoint. Okay, so that is the few geometry figure for geometry, which is very important for you for your lesson. So you should learn this very carefully and practice more and more of the characteristic and figure. So you will do the better result and better and acquire very good knowledge. Okay, and that's all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.